Hey guys, please make sure to stand till the end. We'll share some very helpful advice that if you don't follow you may end up spending thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video to any of you having a BMW with a modern engine, anything practically past year, probably 2006. If you have one of those and you have a problem where you get a code such as 120,408 and code 164020, okay, that relates to intake camshaft position sensor. Guys, we'll explain why you get these two codes, how you can fix it. We'll talk about testing the components as well. Very helpful information. It's a job that you can do most of the times yourself and you can save yourself quite a bit of money. Stay with us and we'll explain how we can do that now in this video today. So guys, what we're going to do now, okay, once in a while we drive this BMW, it works perfectly fine, and then when the engine sometimes get warm, it could be 5 miles, it could be 500 miles trip. All of a sudden the car gets in limp mode, it says drivetrain malfunction, and the car loses power all the way, like the vanos and the turbo quits working, so you're left with almost nothing, barely accelerating. The moment you turn the car off, you turn it back on, it works again, perfectly fine. For how long? It depends. It could be 5, it could be 500 miles again, and eventually it's gonna go to the point that it will quit resetting itself, and you will need to guys fix that problem as soon as you can, because it can lead to more expensive repairs. We'll talk about that in a second. We'll show you what we have here now. Okay, we're going to use the scanner. I'm going to grab the scanner right here now, and okay, it's right there. So guys, this is the X2 that we'll be using, okay, the X2 right here, and this X2 is the Bluetooth version. So I'm going to go ahead and get now to the OBD port that's under, okay, under the dash on the driver's side right there, and we're going to connect it. When we do that guys, okay, check this thing out, we're going to come inside the car, and what we're going to do next, without pressing the brake, we're going to press the start button until the lights come on, okay, just like this one. And when it does, okay, now we're going to work here with the scanner. We're going to select, guys, Diagnostics, VIN number, auto scan. After that, we're going to go ahead, give it some time to connect. Once it does that, guys, okay, I want to show you what we have here. Okay, that's a BMW 2012, made in October of 2012, 528i, okay, VIN number, we confirm that's the correct one. It's going to cycle the ignition automatically, on and off, on its own. Check this thing out now. And it's loading the diagnostic software now. Okay, let's wipe the screen a little bit, but I don't think it's so bad. It's mostly scratched the protective film we still haven't removed. We go to system selection, you can do automatic scan, it's going to scan all the modules in your car. But now, what do we need to do here? Go to drive, engine, read trouble codes. And the codes that we have, 164020, intake, camshaft position sensor, electric short, circuit tube battery pause, and 120,408 charging pressure control switch off as consequence. So this code is triggered because of that code. When the intake camshaft position sensor quits working, it lost communication practically, it's not working, it automatically turn the turbo off for your car. That's why you have that code, guys. So let's explain now what we need to do, okay, to fix that problem. Guys, next step, we open the hood. When we open the hood, I want to show you, okay, what we need to do here. We need to locate the intake camshaft position sensor. Because of that code, we have both codes. Now, if you look at your engine, okay, right now, let's go ahead. We have everything pretty loose in here. I'm going to pull that cover off, and the intake side of the engine is right here, because that's where the engine gets air from. The exhaust side is on this side. So this is the intake camshaft, this is the exhaust camshaft. We'll be doing gasket replacement here because it's quite terrible, guys. But if you look right here now, you see that sensor, okay, that's your intake camshaft position sensor. When we bought the car, it had jump timing chain, and the person that we bought it from thought it was a bad camshaft sensor, and they replaced it with a cheap Chinese sensor, which lasted about almost 2 years. Then we bought another cheap Chinese sensor, okay, lasted another 2 years, and I'm tired of replacing it all the time, so I bought original one. And that's what the sensor, guys, okay, looks like. Let me show you. This is the sensor right here. Let's open it, and I want to show you. Okay, actually that's quite a few BMW models use that sensor. It's probably fit more than 100 BMW models, to be honest with you. That's the sensor itself. If you want to see how to test camshaft position sensor on a BMW, it's not very complicated at all, guys. We'll have a video step by step that will teach you how to test it. The problem with these sensors, definitely check the video how to test it, but the problem with this sensor is that most of the times they work, and when they get hot, okay, all of a sudden they lose communication. That's the problem. But that's the only thing, okay, we need to replace. So that's the sensor, guys, and that fixes that code and that problem on your BMW, and it will automatically, guys, okay, make sure the wastegate actuator and the pressure control, solenoid valve control here, everything's good, plugged in. Later connect your hoses, because that's a common mistake that we see here at the garage that people make sometimes, that can cause you cause loss of turbo after you do the repair. We will have multiple videos how to work on BMWs, guys. Check them out, it will be on our channel. So guys, okay, now about that sensor, guys, okay, most of the times that will fix your problem. If it didn't, okay, what do we need to do now, guys? You need to inspect the wiring harness. Sometimes people will try to disconnect them, they will yank on the wires. When that happens, guys, okay, they can damage the wires. Also check the connector, make sure you don't have a broken wire, make sure the connector is not contaminated with engine oil from leaking valve cover gasket. And that should fix the problem. If it doesn't, you may want to check the fuse for the camshaft position sensor on your BMW. It's actually hidden, guys. We have the videos on the channel where we will talk about that. We guys have more than 3,000 to 4,000 free repair videos on BMWs, and we make them absolutely free on our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.